Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we're gonna learn about the new component assembly which I have drawn. So it is used to work on. It is basically made for cleaning the insulators line insulator assembly from the inner part. So this is complete assembly. Uh, the brushes are mounted on the rollers and with the help of motor and reductor. So here are the components. So basically the working process will be such like that. First of all, the motor is connected to this head and it is controlled fully automatic with the connection of DC motors on the wheels, rear wheels of it, and then after so these DC motors are connected to the rear wheels. It helps to move the device forward and backward, fully automated, control with the control box or a remote box. For up and down movement, we have connected the motor with the help of two DC motors here, smaller ones. For with the help of channels, it can move the forward and downward and upward direction with the help of slide rods and the belt and roller mechanism. Then after, the second part, most important part, is it is portable and can be moved from one place to another with the help of brushes. These are the brushes, so which will go inside this inner diameter of this insulator and helps to clean or remove the foreign materials inside it. And the second portion is we can just move it. It's fully remote and portable. You can move it in each and every corner of your workshop or your industry. Let's take a look. So these are I have tried to design it in the form of woolen threads or the brush or the plastic brushes which are used to carry out the dust particles or the foreign materials from any of the object. So this part can be replaced with your any other format such as cotton material or a cotton roller as per your requirements, and it can be cleaned throughout this diameter. Also the shaft can be this shaft can be means control its length as per requirement of our insulator. So I have designed it the maximum length as per my product. So the second most thing is how to handle this insulator or this product. This product is known as insulator. So for handling system, it is also completely automated. So I have designed here the two robotic jaws or a robotic arm, we can say. So what the function of this robotic arm is to just these claws will open and it's fully automated. You can control it by a CNC panel or a robotic any mechanism. So this mechanism I will explain here. It will just pick one product from here and rotate by 270-degree upward direction, and then after it will hold it, and for plus X and minus X rotation, for plus X and minus X rotation axis, so it can be moved. So I will show it moving. So the DC motor will give access to this robotic arm to rotate it in the 270 degrees up and 270 degrees downward. So I have selected this component and this component, and by specifying specific orientation, we can do it forward and backward movement. As we can see that forward and backward movement can be possible. The brushes will keep continuously rotating and our insulator inner portion will be completely clean out. So the main purpose of this design or this prototype is to just clean the fully automatic way this roller without manual work. So manual attention is also required here to check the whole system is going in the perfect manner, and second one to just keep here or just to fill this tray or container with another insulator parts, so it will move forward and backward direction in such a manner. Okay, so this is only in the one single unidirectional. I have designed it with the form of reductor. The role of reductor is to just rotate the single driving shaft into the two directional. So the second direction is this one. We will also see second directional also. So second one from the left side of our left side, so the bidirectional work can be carried out. Here we are selecting the components, specify orientation, and again in plus and minus direction the whole mechanism will be carried out in a simple manner to clean or to do the proper manner cleaning without manual work. With the help of DC motors and robotic arm mechanism, it can be carried out. So again the secondary elements or the most important fact in this mechanism I have designed it. It is the 1500 RPM motor, DC motor with the reductor. The role of reductor is to provide the single way motion driven by the single driving shaft of a DC motor into a bidirectional way. So the maximum number of work can be carried out with the use of single operations. Only the fact is we will need to pay attention in the both directions, but the maximum number of work can be carried out. That is the motto of our project. So to reduce the time and maximize the production and carried out in a proper and safely manner, which will definitely reduce the time of our working area and also the working culture. So the secondary part is our motor. Here is the motor and the threads which are the shaft. So this thing is going to be in the plus Y and minus Y direction. So we'll see that. In such manner in up and in down. By in such a manner we can just do the forward, upward and downward movement of our brush, I mean of our motor, reductor and the cleaning cooling cotton rollers or a smaller plastic brush. So this whole design or this whole assembly part design is scaled into a smaller small is scale in smaller numbers. Different parts is scale in smaller numbers or smaller figures. It can be scale as per our requirement, as per the project work requirement, but for showing, for displaying purpose, I have used the different scales for different products. The main motto is to just simplify the manual work, reduce the manual work and increase the time and maximize the production with the use of this mechanism, a completely profitable mechanism which will reduce the working space, as well as the working time, working way of the skilled worker. Less skills are required, fully automatic mechanisms is provided. So again one more I have added here one more part is this is the part which I was showing here is here is it is a hydraulic or pneumatic cylinder, double acting cylinder, which will gives movement as per our requirement, which will gives movement. It can be locked and unlocked as per our requirement. It helps to move in forward and backward direction to this motor in forward and backward direction with the help of robotic arm. So it can be locked and unlocked, or you can do it in a manual way. So lastly, our time has been reduced by performing such operations using such mechanisms. I hope you will like this prototype and suggest me better solutions, and if we want to carry it out another programs such as another mechanisms, so it can also be carried out in such a good manner with the form of control box, DC motors, slide rollers and completely material handling equipment is made easy with such a prototype. So thank you and see you next.